Have you driven through the hustle and bustle that is the intersection of Avondale Boulevard and MC 85? My name is Vianette Hansen, and this is your Avondale Update.
To tell you, oh, baby, it's time.
Over 21,000 cars pass through this intersection each day. And on the southwest corner of that intersection is the Littleton Elementary School. On the southeast is a typical urban shopping center. In an effort to make this area more accessible and safer for pedestrians, the City of Avondale installed a Hawk pedestrian beacon on Avondale Boulevard, a little south of Buckeye Road. The Hawk pedestrian beacon, short for High Intensity Activated Crosswalk, is easy to use but isn't like any other traffic control device. As a pedestrian, you'll first see the steady red hand telling you, "Do not cross." Press the pedestrian button once and wait for the steady white walk symbol to show, indicating you can begin crossing. If you do not see the walk symbol, do not enter the crosswalk. Before crossing, confirm all motorists have stopped and see you. As you're crossing, you'll notice the white walk symbol disappears and a countdown timer starts. Continue to make your way across in a safe but timely manner. As a driver, if the signal is dark when you approach it, proceed as normal. If it is flashing yellow, that means the signal is activated and you should prepare to stop. If it is solid yellow, slow down and come to a stop. If both top indications are solid red, come to a complete stop. And while stopped, look for the pedestrian and/or cyclist. After a period of time, the solid double red lights will begin to flash. During the flashing red light period, motorists can begin to move again, but only after making sure all pedestrians have safely crossed the street. Approaching the Hawk signal while the flashing red lights are on, come to a full stop, look and verify all is clear, then proceed with caution. The Hawk beacon will deactivate until activated again by a pedestrian. Please obey all traffic laws and pass this information along so we can stay safe and enjoy our vibrant city.
It's time.